Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Play of the Week video. This is for the week ending September 16, 2018. The date this occurred on was Wednesday the 12th. The stock was SEAS. The strategy was based on a daily power trend with an entry off of a 15-minute DTS breakout play. Management simple, reward to risk 1.9 to 1. Let's take a look at these charts, how this play set up, where it came from, and how it played out. First, I want to remind you, of course, of the next free DTS event that's going to be Friday, September 21st, and it's going to be the Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis class. This is a free class. It is part of the actual seminar program. The paying seminar program members attend this as one of their classes, but I also open this first half day up to everybody as it contains a lot of the information that I want to make sure people know, but kind of get out of the way before we get to the real stuff on Saturday. While some of it is basic, some of it is also very important information that is not often taught and that people do not often understand, so feel free to attend this class. You just need to be a DTS member by the morning of Friday, September 21st. This, of course, also kicks off the DTS seminar program. For people who want to be part of the seminar program, program members begin the next cycle of classes on that Saturday following the Friday. Here is the daily chart of SEAS. This is the power trend form that I talk about. This is one of the pictures of power, superior time frame, having a pattern. In this case, it is so tight on the daily chart, there are actually no entries on this time frame. It just keeps grinding higher. The day I played it was before this green bar formed, so when I found it scanning, it looked like it did right here at the close of this day. This was the day I played it when it formed. Go to a 15-minute chart, which will give us our next best view of this. The play here on the 15-minute chart, since I like the daily chart, was to take it as it broke across this consolidation that kind of formed near the bottom of that daily range. As it broke across the top of that base right there, I picked up the entry on that first pullback right in that general area there. Let's take a closer look at that pullback on a 5-minute chart. And that pullback happened right there. That happened in entry 31.11, stop 30.94, and that happened just before 10:30. Just at reversal time on that particular morning. As the stock rallied higher, I got a nice first target right up in here. That was right on schedule. That was a decent reward to risk for the first part of the trade. It was over 2. And then as the stock pulled back, here's the bad part. I got taken out there by a couple of cents. Didn't want to, but that's what I did at the time, and it then, as you can see, ran for about 3 times the profit that I had. So this was a nice trade, but here's one where I left a lot on the table, just getting nicked out by a couple of cents. I don't like to do that, but I followed what I was supposed to do. It hit that area, I gave it a chance, gave it another chance, and then it came down one more time, took me out, and then took off. So this is a nice play, but you can see also how much was left there on the table on this particular one. Had I hung with it there, I probably would have had it to the end of the day, because from there forward it made no ill moves whatsoever on that 5-minute chart. For those of you who would like to be part of these plays, you can join the DTS trading room. This is where all these plays happen. They are spelled out in a watch list ahead of time. We talk about them, and there's generally a lot of time to look at, review, and they're generally fairly liquid stocks, so they're things that you can participate in if you like to, or come along and get the ideas and do your own thing. If you're interested in taking a trial, you can visit the website on the services page. Until next time, this is Paul for Disciplined Trading Strategies. Good trading, everybody.